Subscribe to Technical Coder and hit the bell icon to watch latest programming videos first. Hey, what's up people, this is Technical Coder here, back again with another video. And so in this episode we are going to show you how to delete a portion of a video. So for this we are taking this video. First we are zooming here, so this is so much smaller video, so let's zoom it and make it larger. Not the video will get larger, the size will increase. So we are deleting from here, so let's take this, make the cursor here where you want to delete and then split. And again, in a video if we have spoken wrong anything, then anyone you want to delete that portion, so this is most useful. Then select this part and delete, split here and take this, select this middle portion and press delete button on your keyboard and then right click and then remove this gap. So here you can see the video has been deleted here, and this is a sample video number 1. So that was in this video. Hope you like this. So let's see on the next episode. Till then, bye bye, peace.
Some things will never change. The lonely loner, simply breathe my night.